So today I'm shooting with a center-weighted metering because you can see there's really a lot of accentuated lightings in this museum, especially the sunlight over here and also in this museum indoors with a lot of spotlights. So now I'm going to show you two photographs of the same subject, and one is rather flat, and a flat photograph is when your eye doesn't know where to go. So everything has the same weight, and instead of guiding the viewer, the image just sit there. It's just like this first picture here of the book. Right now in the second photograph, there's this direction and there's intention of you looking at the picture as if you're flipping through the pages, and the difference isn't the camera, so it's just how the scene is being seen and how you're going to observe the subject. Right here is an interesting doorway. There's this automatic door that flips open, and I decided to take a picture of that, but as you can see the picture is rather dull. There's no subject, so I decided I should put some human subjects inside this doorway photograph. Couples walking past through the door, so it does show some actions, people walking through, but later I realized that there's a better way, and this is what I got. At first glance these scenes look interesting, but the light is a bit rather flat, so it falls evenly across everything, no shadows, no contrast. So when you take the shot, it just feels lifeless. Now watch what happens when the light shifts. The shadow comes in and the highlight separates the subject. Now your eyes know where to go. So sometimes the difference is not about what you shoot, but when you shoot it and where. But it's nice, yeah? This one must use a live view and shoot better.
Touristy picture.
Touristy, yeah? The truth is, most flat photos aren't just mistakes. They're just moments that needs a little bit more intention. In this instance, just a second or two longer, and there's a different way of seeing. And you can agree, the second photo just looks better. So if this way of seeing resonates with you, you might want to stick around. In my next video, I'll be sharing how I actually approach strangers on the street, which honestly is where everything begins. Seeing is one thing, but approaching a stranger, that's a completely different challenge. So in the next video, I'll show you exactly how I do it. If this is something you've been struggling with, consider subscribing to my channel. See you again in the next video.